up guys, Johnny from TechSpace, and today we are going to suspension test the Arrma Mojave 4S BLX. Let's get into it. That concludes the testing of the Mojave 4S BLX, and I love that truck. It's just one of my favorite trucks, guys, and I think it did fairly well. Obviously not as well set up as the UDR for the bumps and the stuff, but I think for what it is, Arrma has done a brilliant job with it, and I'm just such a fanboy of the 4S Mojave and all the Mojaves in general. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Johnny from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.